Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The message of the Holy Quran to all mankind. Allah said in Quran, of which translation is, O people who believe, if any miscreant brings you some tidings, verify it, lest you unknowingly cause suffering to some people and then remain repenting for what you did. And know that Allah's noble messenger is among you in most of the affairs. Were he to listen to you, you would surely fall into hardship. But Allah has made faith dear to you and has instilled it in your hearts and has made disbelief and rebellion and disobedience abhorred by you. It is people like these who are on guidance, the munificence and favor of Allah, and Allah is all-knowing, wise. And if two groups of Muslims fight against each other, reconcile them, and if one of them oppresses the other, fight against the oppressor till it returns to the command of Allah. Then if it returns, reconcile between them with justice, and be fair. Indeed, Allah loves the equitable. And our duty is nothing but to plainly convey the message